Hello everyone, it's Sparkling Shark and welcome back to my channel. I was coming in today to do this quick video to show you I was inspired by Donna Powered by Creativity. Happy birthday, Donna. I hope you enjoy yourself. One of the giveaways she was doing, she made this book. She called it a TM book, and I just fell in love with that, and I wanted to make it. So that's how I spent my holiday. I was just crafting and resting, crafting and resting. So with my books, I made, I'll show you, recipe book. I put the letters up here, and it was a cutout, say sweet treats. And then I put one of the Dollar Tree flowers on there, and I added a pin on the side. And then on the inside, I put some of the cut aparts. I fussy cut the mason jar, which you can write on. And then it's got like a little shopping list in it and everything. And then this one says strawberry peach preserves. And the first signature in here, I made it into where you would want to put your main dishes. These are Dollar Tree stickers, main dishes, recipes. And I stamped a little jam jar, jelly jar on the paper. And then the second signature says fast food menus. These are also Dollar Tree alphabet stickers. And inside this signature, you would put your menus. I have more menus, but I can find them. And then the third signature is desserts, where you will put all your recipes for cakes and cookies and all that good stuff. And then the last one is a folder that says receipt card folder. It said the kitchen is the heart of a home. Whisk me away. And I thought that was cute. And then the whisk paper. And all this is recipe paper. I think it's by Echo Park. And then inside, you have all your recipe folder, recipe cards that you put your stuff in. Yeah, and then you know how she put the pad in the back. So, oh my God, Donna, I fell in love with this, guys. If you haven't made this, I don't know what you're waiting on. And then the next one, I made another recipe one. This one say Kiss the Cook, Kitchen, the Heart of the Home, and then this say Baking Cookies. And this is another Echo Park, has a pin on the side. The pin is from Dollar Tree because we got cupcakes and all that on it. This side is holding cards, all kinds of journal cards. I cut that word out, recipe. This signature says Simply Delicious, so you want to put, your baking goods there. This is lined paper that I did cut down. This paper I cut down from a composition book because I didn't have any. This signature here is for family recipes. I'm sorry, this is a folder. Say family recipes. It also have the cut out the cards that you can put in here. And then the next one say, from the oven. If you can see the oven on this print here, it says delicious menus. So I need to, put menus in here or paper, however you want. And then this one says, world's best. And then it has the apron with the teapots. The inside is decorated because it's double-sided. Then it has like this, like the library graph card look. And then some plain cardstock. And then these notepads are from the Dollar Tree. Yeah. So oh my God, Donna, thank you so much for doing this tutorial. The next one I made, I cut it down to size. I'm trying to think, what size did I make this one? This is, let's see, 8.5 by 4 3/4. Yeah, 8.5 by 4 3/4. Say joy to the world. I stuck a Christmas tree on there, a person skating, some candy canes, and then a little stand for Christmas. And then you open it up. You got your little Santa Claus sticking down in here. I think this was a double pocket. Yeah. Yeah, because you could put something down in here too. It says Santa's on the way. Then here I need to put, I got to find my other paper to put something on the front of this one. This one was the Christmas card, and this paper was pretty thin that I bought from Hobby Lobby. So I took another piece of cardstock and just added on there. This is some graph paper that I cut down to size. I just love these trucks with the tree, the cars with the tree. Another thin paper, but I added cardstock and it has lined paper. And then this one has a notepad too, and a pen. And then the last one I made was another Christmas one. This is Christmas Around the World. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not even showing the backs. Oh, and I do have something to put on the side of here. But this one says Christmas Around the World, saying Merry Christmas in all languages. And then I cut one out here. See that one there? I cut it out and dimension, put it up on dimension from Dollar Tree. This is the inside pocket. It's got like the little nutcrackers. And then in here I got some ephemera. This book here will be called the December Daily. So you can have a December Daily in here. I've numbered a few of them. I haven't finished. Did I forget the 2? I hope I did. Oh no, see 2. And then you can, like, each day, you know what December Daily means. Each day you put down what's going on. So I just got up to page 5. And then on the back it has a belly band, which is holding the other numbers. And it say let it snow. Then this is a folder with wreaths on it. And I put something in here. I have stuff, I just haven't gotten to it. This is another signature with green paper. And then this is another signature that needs paper. And then this is a notepad that I had cut down for some reason, but it seemed to have fit okay. So yeah, so thanks to Donna for creating for her birthday and coming up with such a brilliant idea, because I love making these and I cannot stop. So tomorrow I'll come home and I'm going to do some more. It's a great way to use up your paper. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys give Donna's creation a try. She called it the book TN. As I really love how these turned out. So I hope you like it and give this video a thumbs up. And again, to Donna, happy birthday. I hope you had a good time. And yeah, see, I even put on this side. On this side, it was like some cupcakes. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And remember to always sparkle. Bye now.